Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to private on X. Okay, so if you want to make your account private on X, first of all open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety, and from here go to audience and tagging section. Finally, at the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private, and let's enable it. So from the moment that you make your account private on X, only your current followers are able to see your posts on your profile, and new people who want to follow you on X must be manually approved. So there is specific dedicated page on X where you can do that. So tap your profile picture in the top left, and now in this menu you have to find option follower requests, where you can manage your followers. You can either accept them or decline them. So that's basically how you can private on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.